it is Kai here, and Scratch and Peck Feeds sent us some of their new product. We're going to talk about it. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, how y'all doing? Hopefully y'all having a great morning wherever you are. Hopefully you enjoy this video. So, Scratch and Peck Feeds sent us over some of their new product. This is a Scratch and Peck feed that I have not tried yet. This is a layer pellet with grub protein included in the pellets. So I'm excited to see how my girls like this. Y'all, if y'all don't know, my heifers back here, they like to eat. So this bag gonna be gone in one day. I'm gonna show y'all because we're gonna ferment it. As hot as it is here in Arkansas, you gonna want to ferment today. It's gonna be 100 and I think 2. Don't quote me on that. It's like 102, 103, one of the two. So y'all go check out the weather if you're in zone 7, because it's gonna be toasty. So we're gonna get into this and let's go. Okay, y'all, so let's get on to part 2. We are here to pour this here layer pellets in this trough, aka it's actually a plant. It's for plants, but I'm using it as a trough, and it works. I like it. It was only $5, but that's perfectly fine. Let's go ahead and pour these in there. We're gonna do a quick ferment, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean by that. Now this does have holes in it, so it don't hold water long. Okay. Spread that around. Y'all, Cece is like, he is just like a grease bucket. He always hungry. Okay, let me get the water. And let's get the fermenting, y'all. So when I say quick fermenting, that means I'm just putting water on it. It's just absorbing a little bit of moisture. Now, I could have let these soak overnight, but I wanted to open this with y'all, because we have not tried this with the girls yet, so had to open it with y'all. Okay, let's see. I think that's pretty good. Yep, they already getting mushy. They already getting mushy, y'all. I know y'all probably see that water dripping down. And they're a really good consistency. Okay. So the girls will probably like these. Well, it's not a probably to it. They are, because as you can see, they already looking at me and making a lot of noise. So they ready to eat. We about to feed these hungry raptors, y'all. All right, I'm done with the first one. I'm gonna do the second one, and then we're gonna go feed our birds. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all. So I already dropped a little bit. They already going at it, y'all. So we got the Scratch and Peck Feeds pellets, layer pellets. Y'all, I better hurry up. I can't even talk to y'all really. All I know is these little raptors are hungry. Oh, okay. They like it. That sums it up. I ain't even gotta say nothing, y'all. The rooster over here having to get him a chunk of it and run with it. All I can say is Scratch and Peck Feeds. It's a plus for my flock. They like it. Y'all go ahead, click the link up in my Linktree bio and order you some for your flock. I promise your girls will love it. Order yours today. And I mean it. They are going to love you for it, because as you can see, I need to go get the other one. Love y'all, mean it. Get your Scratch and Peck feed on. Get you some. Bye, y'all. See you later.